Hi everyone, so today I have this new set to try out for you guys that Dime Press has brought to their site, mydimepress.com. These items will be available June 18th, so depends on when you're watching. It might be early, it might be on the site already. But if you are watching before June 18th, the items will launch there with Beth, I believe, on the Dime Press YouTube channel and Facebook page. So I'll have all that info in the description box. They are going to have some bundles. I already did a whole unboxing video of all 7 new kits, but they are going to have like a 7 kit bundle, and then that's discounted, and some other promos, and I'll include that info in the description box, like some freebies and things like that. So please go ahead and look at the description box for that information. But I did send these items free of charge from Ravi, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I'll have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. With Dime Press, it is an affiliate discount code, so if you are using the code VCDP10 at checkout, you get 10% off of your purchase. So all that info is in the description box. All right, so today we're just going to get right to it. We have the Let Freedom ring set. I talked all about it in the last video, and I mean, it just has so much in here. I mean, the little truck, obviously you can use that for different cards, for fall, and all these fun things. I think I'm going to do this little guy here, this rosette kind of pennant, banner, bunting kind of thing, because I love that when I showed you guys the unboxing, and I really want to try that out. So maybe we'll accent it with some of the other things. But, you know, we have stencils in there, Land That I Love, all these things I talked about in the unboxing. But like I said, today we're just going to get right to it. And, yeah, so I'll cut this down in just a minute. We do have some stamps that I think are really cute, these circle stamps. That I suppose you can accent some of these guys with. Some are a little bit smaller, a little bit larger. It can just be like backgrounds. However, so really nice size. Hope you can see that, of these sentiments. Gorgeous. And so what I'm going to do is just start with a little bit of stenciling. So I have a standard A2 size card base already. I made it out of blue cardstock, so that's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of cardstock that's going to be my matte layer. It's 4 1/8 by 5 3/8 because I like that kind of sizing. But if you like working with larger chunks of numbers, 4 by 5 1/4 or 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, just matte layer the whole thing, you can definitely do that. I'm going to take this, and I actually didn't grab the ink yet, but let me, some red ink and an applicator. And I'm going to do the stenciling of the stripes. So we have these things, but the stripe here. And I'm just going to place that. I'm just eyeballing this. I mean, I'm just looking at edge to edge, and hopefully that's pretty straight, because it's going to be a couple things, and it's going to be very noticeable. So let's just put that there. And maybe I'll take this crimson, and I only want it down the center. So if you really want to protect the edges, like over here, so you don't get ink on there, you can just put down like a piece of paper or something. Just holding that down. I was going to be very gentle with it. And you can definitely make it look variegated in color and things. That I'm going to try to get a good amount of color down. So I'm going to continue doing this, guys, until I get it pretty deep red, okay? I'll be right back. As I'm doing this, I really got the top really saturated, and then I kind of let it kind of be less and less at the base there. So I think that looks really good. Okay. So that is my stripes in the back. I was going to start with stripes. I'm used to saying that kind of thing. Okay. So I'm going to clean up a little bit. Wash this off. It's just dye ink. It'll just come right off, and I'll be right back. So I'm just going to put this to the side for now. Oh, got a little something on there. And with our card, I think I might stamp on that, so I'm going to leave that alone for a moment. Let's grab this guy. So I just grabbed a bunch of different colors I thought would be really pretty with the different layers. And if you look on here, it'll show you kind of how to layer that up. I mean, there's different ideas. You can do whatever you like, of course. So there are, you know, 4 colors, and I was thinking of doing red and then blue and then white. Obviously you can do red, white, and then blue, which maybe I should do. Okay, let's see. So for the red, I was going to cut it out of this metallic red, so it's really fun and super pops there. Let's go ahead and do red, white, and blue, and then I have a gold star. So the white is this one, at least if I do it that way. And then the blue is going to be this one. And my blue is just some blue cardstock. This is like a pearlescent white, which I thought would be nice. And then a little star in the center, which I believe is this guy. It's one of the smaller stars. So I'll take this one and run it through this gold glitter, okay? And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have our pieces here. Really cute the way it comes out with all the embossing on that. And this little guy here. You can imagine making these other colors than red, white, and blue to be just festive for like any other occasion. Be really cute. Okay, I'll put those up in just a minute. I'm trying to think how I want to do this. You know, popping that right there. We can put those guys together, and then we have this piece. So I was thinking about just adding a little more in the background. We have this piece here that I think is really cute. So let's run that through some blue. Probably that same blue paper. You want to do a shiny blue or whatever. That'd be really nice too. But it's just like a cute little accent piece. So I'm going to run that through some blue paper and I'll be right back. Piece. So cute, the little stars that fall right out of there. Cute. So I'm going to put that like right down the center, I think. And then our little decoration there, it can either have layers, like dimensional layers, or just kind of flat. Whatever it is that you like. It needs to go over a little bit more this way. You can see that. And a little more this way. There we go. Again, I'm always eyeballing, but if you want to use like a ruler, you can definitely do that. I think what I'll do is go ahead and glue the star to the center of the blue piece and then put a dimensional between after this guy, and then just go ahead and glue these guys down because I like to make my cards mailable. So something like that. And I'll get some dimensionals on this and pop it on there, okay? Whoopsie. Not dry yet. I'll be right back. Let's put some dimensionals behind that. Kind of a low profile dimensional. Cute little bunting there. So I'm not going to glue this down yet because, like I said, I want to do some stamping. The little stars that fell out from that border are really cute. I mean, if you want to sprinkle them here and there, you can definitely do that. And let's see, where are my stamps? Oh, here. Think about maybe stamping the USA and then Land That I Love Here, maybe. You know, let's celebrate. If you're maybe doing a little 4th of July get together, that'd be fun. I'm going to stamp those with some blue ink. So let me grab some ink and I'll be right back. And I would like some dark blue ink. You can probably do red on red if you want like a dark red tone work there. Let me get that going, and I was gonna put it right down the center. I mean, we can be fun with it if you wanted that over here, and maybe, you know, the other part like over here, however, but I think I'm gonna do it all down the center. So I am definitely eyeballing that. Just seeing a little bit left over here, left on the other side. So right up there. And let's get like a dark blue. And these are acrylic stamps, so just some firm, even pressure. It almost looks like stenciled, like military kind of stuff. That's cute. But I'm gonna press that one more time, make it nice and dark. Look at that. So dark, it almost looks black. That's really cool. And sorry, let me wipe that down. I'm gonna use the same color on the bottom one, but actually, let's not. Let's use a lighter color. 'Cause you know how this went from dark to light. Maybe we can use like a lighter blue and have that same kind of effect. And I'm just looking at the lettering, like the E ends here, the L's there, just kind of splitting the difference where that might be nice and straight. Of course, our press here has grid lines that you can double check and make sure everything looks pretty straight. That looks good. And okay, I was like, where's my lid? That one was actually called Blue Jeans. That's cool. That's cool. So cute. I'll do this sapphire one. It is a different shade of blue. That's what I wanted to get at there. Cute. Okay. Alright. Clean that up. And I will be right back. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this affixed here, and then I'll top it with that cute little bunting banner kind of thing. And right down there. I did use a lower profile dimensional, so if you want to pop this up with the same lower profile, that way it's just kind of not even that deep. I think that's probably what I'll do. So I'm going to let that stick down and get some of these lower profile dimensionals on the back of this, and I'll be right back. Okay, and always put your lid back on your glue bottle. And so there is, it's pretty low profile even though I have that dimensional in there. That is so cute. You know what? I'm going to put set the little stars pretty much straight up and down, pretty much what's going on over here. And that looks really nice right there. And there you go, just a really patriotic, really sweet card. All kinds of ways to use that. So please make sure to check in on June 18th. If you are already past that date, you can always rewatch the live premiere there, Eternal, there on YouTube. So you can check it out and see more examples. So thanks for watching. Thanks so much, Diamond Press, for sending these items for review. I will have images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box, and I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.